Here we go, guys. I'm super excited to show you my new first collaboration with PROKAN grill. So I received the first one, like you can see in my videos here before, so you can check it out and see how it works. So I like it so much that I decided to put my name on this grill. Soon, probably this month of May 2026, it will be available at Home Depot online. So please go ahead and check out the description below if you are interested on that. So besides that, I'm gonna show you really quick how everything is gonna work. Because today we are going to create a pizza with picanha, guys. So let's go ahead. You ever heard of pizza with picanha? No. So let's go ahead, let's make it. Okay guys, first of all, I'm gonna go ahead, take a look of this grill. So professionally made, heavy. So what I'm gonna do, not turn everything on. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this because I'm gonna cook picanha. And then I'm gonna use this little thing here. So let's go ahead, let's place this. Let's get the measurement. Yes, that's how it goes. And place it and turn by himself. Let me see. Here we go. It works, guys, it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the picanha. Pop this. Here we go. I'm gonna do a Brazilian style. And then again, guys, I'm gonna put this one on a pizza. Top class. Okay, guys, voila, we have the picanha placed. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it right now. I place this in the center. Here we go. Turn everything on. I'm gonna turn it on also the top part, the grill. Done. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see if this works. Woo. It's working, guys. It's working, guys. Boom, 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 baby. And just let it cook at the high temperature until it's done. In the meantime, close it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on the oven. This is super easy. You just press play, boom, boom, boom. Place the motor on, high temperature with the flame, and done. Oven is on. I'm gonna let it stay for about 30 minutes, the time to warm up the stone, get everything ready, and we're gonna make the pizza. And the picanha is ready, and boom, 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 guys, it's super simple video. I just wanna show you what I'm done here. Insane. Vito Iacopelli in every details here. And also you can buy this separate, so you can get a pizza oven with gas, rotating all the options. You set it up the temperature, boom, 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 super easy, you'll see now. And then you can get just the barbecue or the fridge or the prep container. Like you can see, cover, lid is insane, guys. Check it out in the description. And watch until the end, guys. I'm super excited, that's why. Ooh, here we go, guys. The picanha is nice and grilled. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and go just with this because I love to taste this, even if this is gonna be good. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn it off the little thing here. I'm gonna go ahead and place this inside here. Top class. Turn it off and place this. Okay, place this. Done. I'm gonna go ahead and place this fat down like my friend Guga taught me. Top class, guys. It's insane, these things here. So let's put this back here. Done. Now, high temperature, high temperature. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook this beast. The oven, in the meantime, is cooking. Done. Close it. Let's check out the oven. Almost ready. Almost ready, guys. Okay, here we go, guys. The meat. Let's check out the temperature, internal temperature, 140. 140, perfect. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go ahead, turn it off, just give it a flip. I'm gonna go ahead and just quick, give it a flip right there. Let's go ahead, let's close it and let it rest there. In the meantime, let's go ahead, let's start this pizza. Here we go, guys. This is the dough, perfect, even if it's super hot. And grab this. The oven is at the max heater. Put a little bit of flour on the floor, then place the dough on the bottom. Close this one. Here we go, guys. Spread the flour. We don't need a lot of flour. Sorry, but it's super hot right now. Then I'm gonna go ahead, press. This is gonna be a really super simple pizza. Stretch just to test the oven. Gonna put a Parmesan cheese pecorino, actually. This is pecorino cheese. A little bit of foil lid just to give it a nice color. Then fresh mozzarella everywhere. But now, take a look. What I like to do here, something new. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the juice from the meat. Voila, boom, boom, boom. This is something new. Grab the peel, boom, 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 pinch it, and then peel under. Ready to go ahead and test the oven. This is what I was waiting for. Let's go ahead, let's put it in. Stop the motor, place it in the center, then boom, voila. Let's go ahead, turn it on the motor. Voila, I am ready to rock and roll. So let's wait, I got a little cheese there. I'm gonna try to, now go ahead and slow down take off this little cheese. Oh, it's hot. You know what? Insane. First time ever cooking the pizza in this oven, Okay guys, it's time before we finish the pizza. I wanna go ahead and see how this meat just come out. So let's go ahead and let's shake it out. Let's grab a piece, this one, just the one on top. It's been resting for a little bit and top class. Let's go ahead, let's check it out. I mean, look how juicy it is, insane. I'm gonna go ahead and slice this one. Ready, guys? Oh my God. Ready to see this? Top class, a little bit of salt there. And guys, this is the quality of meat, how it's cut. Juicy, insanely cooked. Now it's time. Wow! Vieni qua. Top class. Okay guys, the pizza is ready. Now we have to place all the meat. Sergio, give me the camera. Give me the camera, taste this. Taste. Top class. Let's see. Com'è? Fai vedere com'è? Com'è? Okay guys, let's get back to work. Let's see what my Zoe thinks.
It's good.
It's good. And boom, voila guys, the pizza. Take a look at this peel. Voila, so what we're gonna do now, stay there with me. Voila, save this. Pescare. Boom, boom, boom. Voila, top class. Top class. Let's check out the bottom. I mean, take a look at the bottom. Put the olive oil on the crust to make the crust nice and shiny. A little, why not? A little bit in the center. Boom, boom, boom. And now we're gonna go ahead and place the picanha just right there. Let's put one right there, just to give it a nice look right there. And this, Sergio, what are we gonna do with this? That's what I call a picanha pizza, guys. Sergio, my cousin, the camera guy. Let's go ahead. Let's taste this pizza. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Perfect cook. Chin chin. Picanha pizza by Maestro Iacopelli. What happened? What? Hey, Marcolo Monongollo. How is it, Sergio? Guys, give a vote down below, 1 to 10. What do you think of this pizza? And after all, tell me what you think of this new island. I'm interested to know in the comments. Ciao.
Ciao.